Keep menu bar even in full screen mode? Is it possible to keep the menu bar on top of everything and not hide when you open a full screen program? I know you can drag your mouse up and it reveals, but I would like it to stay there all the time.
I found the answer here, Randy69's comment to the question. Add a space to mission control, open mission control with F3, or swiping up with 4 fingers on the trackpad, then click on the plus button on the top left corner of the screen. From mission control, drag your application to the new space. Maximize the application within the space, hold Alt plus Shift and click on the green button of the application top bar.
Control plus F2 gets menu bar focus in the full screen app mode. Set the F keys to standard function keys via keyboard preferences. The default is Control plus F2 for menu bar focus, and Control plus F3 for dock focus.
In reality, there are always solutions. It sounds like you're looking for a system-level solution to this problem. I may be able to help point you in the right direction. Here's what I'd try. Also, I'm going to assume you're not on Lion, which may actually have a preference setting for this kind of thing. Sounds like it may from one press release I read, anyway. 1. App-specific config settings. I'd start by exploring all the config options for your specific application. Maybe you even have a friendly GUI option for this. Failing that unlikely event, many apps will store their own preferences inside of their app directory. Those icons and / applications are actually executable directories. There are lots of files inside them. You may also want to look around in your user / home directory, particular under / library / application support / at name. I've found many games graphics engines have config options you never get a GUI for. In a case like this, maybe you could set a lower resolution or some flag that lets the OpenGL, assuming that's what we're really talking about, context run in a window rather than in full screen mode. 2. Explore the default system. OS X has a structure that I believe to function much like the Windows registry. A kind of database of settings. This is the default system. With piles of luck, maybe there's a setting in there? 2.5 Try Insanely Mac forums. I've found the people roaming the Insanely Mac forums to be severely knowledgeable about the plumbing of OS X. I'd head over there and ask for help. They may help you figure out a default system solution, or something else. 3. It's a trap. The shield is still up. Pull up. It's possible if none of that stuff yields fruit, you may just have to wait for OS X 10.7. Or hack out some other solution that sort of satisfies your needs. Hopefully it won't come to this, but it does sound to me like a possibility. Unless you can get your hands on the code for the thing you're wrestling. Anyway, that's the best I can give you. Good luck, friend.
You can press Shift and Alt/Option and click on the green Maximize button. This maximizes the screen and keeps the menu bar on top. Credit this URL.
In Monterey, v12.2.1, this is already supported. In System Settings, Dock and Menu Bar, deselect Automatically Hide and show the menu bar in full screen. Now, the menu bar will always be shown even in full screen, and in Mission Control, the app will still be named. To enforce this on existing desktop windows, exit out of full screen and go to full screen again. Menu bar will always be shown.